Hello, praisers and savers. My name is Sandy, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're heading to Publix. These deals run from March the 21st to March the 27th. As always, these deals are all digital, so you're using your phone just to score. Today, I had a career day with some amazing students at one of the local schools, and I taught them about couponing and how to be an influencer. It was a great day. Please also check in the description box for the printable breakdown. No need to write these deals down. You can either pull it up on your phone or you can just print it off and take it in the store with you. Let's go ahead and get started on some great digital deals. Now, springtime and summer are on the way, and I always like to stock up on these Kool-Aid drinks when we're getting close to those summer months because my kids will always have a ton of friends at the house. Now, these Capri Suns and these Kool-Aid Jammers are usually $3.35, but we're going to be getting them for just $1.68, which is a great deal on these juice boxes. And like I said, during these springtime and summer months, this is really the time to stock up on products like these because we don't have the best of deals come the fall and the winter. So $1.68 for these. Next is on the Quilted Northern toilet paper. Now, this is a threshold coupon, which means this $5 off 20 coupon means that that threshold can come off before the sale. So, these are $7.49. You would need to buy 3 of these to reach the $20 threshold. But you're not going to pay the original price of $21 for these. You're going to pay the sale price. So, what you're going to do is pick up 3 of these. The price is going to be $3.75 each after that BOGO. The total is $11.25. We're going to use that $5 coupon that you have on the Publix app. It's going to make your total $6.25. Or about $2.09 per pack. This is a great deal because you're saving over $5 on this Quilted Northern toilet paper. Next is the Pillsbury flour. I like to make bread in my bread maker, and so the Pillsbury flour, it is on sale. The cheapest bag is $3.83 or $1.92 each. On IBOTTA, there is a 10-cent any flour IBOTTA rebate. So this will apply, and with the buy one get one free and the 10-cent IBOTTA rebate, you're going to pay $1.82 for the Pillsbury flour. Now, as always, check your IBOTTA app for any of the any products because those are always my favorite to reach those IBOTTA bonuses each week. Next is going to be on Hellman's mayonnaise. And if you know me, you know I am a Duke's mayonnaise kind of girl. But since this is a good deal and a moneymaker, I will be getting the Hellman's mayonnaise to donate to our local food bank. So the Hellman's mayonnaise is usually $7.75. Because it's buy one, get one free, it's going to be $3.88. Now, there are a ton of Hellman's coupons that you see below. But the best one that's going to attach is the $4 Hellman's coupon. Because that is a $4 Hellman's coupon, it's going to make this a 12-cent moneymaker. But I might just buy a bunch and use all these coupons because it's such a great deal. Next is on this Briars ice cream. My daughter's birthday is coming up, so I definitely need to pick up some of this ice cream. Now, usually the little 48-ounce of ice cream is $6.89. It is buy one, get one free, so it'll be $3.45. We're going to pick up 2 containers of this Briars ice cream to be able to use the coupon on the Publix app. That coupon is $2 off. So your total is $6.90. The $2 off is going to come off at the register. It's going to be a total of $4.90 or $2.45 per container of Briar's ice cream. Now, I wanted to say, oh my gosh, when did goldfish get so high? I used to be able to get this all the time, not even on sale for just $1 a bag. But It regular price is 3.54. That's just crazy. So 3.54 for the goldfish. Buy one get one free. It's going to make each bag $1.77. No coupons or Ibotta rebates on this. Just, I guess, a decent deal. But like I said, back in the day, I always got goldfish for my kids for $1 a bag, and you can not even get a sale price for the goldfish. That's just crazy, crazy. I know inflation prices are so high. Now again, we have another threshold coupon. So that means this threshold coupon is going to work before the sale price. So what we're going to do for this one is we're going to buy 4 packs of the bacon. Now the bacon is usually $8.94. So we would get to that threshold price of $30 if you bought 4 packs. But since it's going to come, the sale price is going to come off. It's like saying you're spending $4.47 for each pack of bacon. So buying 4 packs at $4.47 is going to be a total of $17.88. Then there's a $10 coupon. That's a high value coupon that's going to come off. So it's going to make the packs of bacon $7.88 or $1.97 per pack of bacon. Killer deal. I am picking this up. My daughter's birthday's coming. She's having a sleepover, and I love to get packs of bacon, especially when they're for a decent price of $1.97. All right, got a decent deal on the Campbell Soup. Now, usually around holidays, Campbell Soup is on sale. We don't have coupons or Ibotta rebates, but it is on sale. Buy one, get one free. So, around Easter, Christmas, Thanksgiving, any kind of holidays where people are making types of casseroles, they are usually on sale. So the Campbell Soup is around $1.99 because it's buy one, get one free. Each can is going to be about $1. Pillsbury Crescent rolls are $3.97. That is crazy. I would never spend that much money for Pillsbury Crescent rolls. They are buy one, get one free. So each can is $1.99. You're going to buy 2 cans. Your total is $3.98. There is a $1 coupon on the Publix app. That $1 coupon is when you buy two. At the register, you'll pay $2.98. Then you're going to submit your receipt to $1 back on IBOTTA. So with the buy one, get one free, the $1 coupon on the Publix app, the $1 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make the Pillsbury Crescent rolls $1.98 or 99 cents for these. Much better deal. Next, in our house, we have Heinz Ketchup all the time. And Heinz Ketchup can be a little pricey sometimes. Now, we never ever buy Hunt's Ketchup. The first time my daughters ever saw Hunt's Ketchup in the store, they thought it was really, really weird. So these are $5.99 each. They are buy one, get one free. So each bottle is $3. These Hershey candy bars are my daughter's favorite, and the Dove chocolates. It was crazy. They both are on sale right now, so these are things I will be putting in her Easter basket. She loves chocolate. That girl is a chocolate eater. And so these Hershey candy bars are one of her favorite things to make s'mores. Actually, for Christmas last year, she asked for a giant box of s'more materials, marshmallows, graham crackers, and chocolate. So the Hershey candy bars are buy one, get one free. So each of the 6 counts are $2.65, which is a great deal. And the Dove chocolate is going to be $2.90 after the buy one, get one free. So good deals on chocolate right now. And then, of course, it is Easter. And I have never seen these Sour Patch Kids Easter jelly beans before. I'm sure they're sour, but I'm excited about it because I do love some Starburst jelly beans. So the Starburst jelly beans, of course, are going to go in each of my kids' baskets. They're usually $4, which is what they cost at Walmart. They're probably a little bit below $4. And so they're buy one, get one free at $2 each. These Sour Patch Kids jelly beans are also on buy one get one free. So they'll be $1.90 each. I like to stick these on my desk and eat away as I'm working throughout the day every time Easter rolls around. Now, French fries are crazy expensive. I can't believe how much they cost sometimes. And these Orata French fries, they're $5.89. They are buy one, get one free. So each bag is $2.95. And in my house, we have so many kiddos, we have to buy two bags of French fries. So we'll have to pay the full price when we're getting two bags of these French fries. The Vanity Fair napkins are a great deal. We always have good deals on these around holidays, and they're going to be just 97 cents after this deal. Now, this is another threshold coupon. So, like I said before, just getting to that $20 mark before the sales is what you need to do. So, what you're going to do for this, you can do this. Pick up 6 of these packs of napkins. They're going to be $1.80 each after picking up 6 packs of these napkins. Your total at the register is going to be $10.80. This $5 coupon is going to come off, and your total is going to be $5.80 or about 97 cents per pack of napkins. Always a great deal to stock up on stuff like this around the holidays. All right, Mueller's pasta, not a huge deal, but you may need this for your macaroni and cheese for Easter. So, Mueller's pasta, it is usually $2 for these, but we're going to be getting them for about 80 cents. So, the Mueller's pasta is going to be $1 each. You're going to pick up 4 boxes. Your total is $4. There is a 50 cent, woo, crazy big, 50 cent Publix coupon on the app when you buy 4. So buying 4 of those, 50 cent coupon is going to make each box 88 cents for the Mueller's pasta. Way better than spending $2 though. All right, next is on the Body Armor drinks. We're going to be getting these just for 80 cents. So these Body Armor drinks are usually $2. They are buy one, get one free. So they'll be $1 each. You're going to be picking up 5 of these because of this coupon. So picking up 5 of these, the total is going to be $5 at the register. Then you have this $1 coupon on the Publix app. So with the buy one, get one free and the $1 coupon, it's going to make them $4 for all 5 or about 80 cents per bottle of body armor. So pretty good from $2 all the way down to 80 cents. Now, Cheez Its are going to be $1.59 each. This is actually a decent deal. I buy these all the time. So the Cheez Its are $4.18. They are buy one, get one free. So they're $2.09 for each one, but you're buying 2 boxes. Your total will be $4.18. You're going to use this $1 coupon on the Publix app when you buy 2. That $1 coupon is going to bring your total to $3.18 or $1.59 per box. And like I said, I feel like that's a good deal because you've got that BOGO and then you've also got that $1 coupon. Next is on some Colgate toothpaste, and you know as a couponer, we either don't pay for toothpaste, or it's a moneymaker, or it's pretty cheap, and things haven't been as cheap as normal. So the Colgate toothpaste is $4.49. It's buy one get one free, so it's $2.25 per tube. We're gonna pick up 2 tubes. Your total is $4.50. There is a $3 coupon on the Publix app, which is an awesome coupon considering we have the buy one, get one free. So your total at the register with the coupon and the buy one, get one free will be $1.50 or 75 cents per tube. All right, we have the Arm& Hammer. I love these Arm& Hammer. I call these flavor crystals, but don't eat them. That's just my joke. So this Arm& Hammer is usually $6.49. It's buy one, get one free. So it's $3.25 um, per one of these clean scent, not flavor crystals. So 3.25 for these. There is a $1 IBOTTA rebate on the IBOTTA app. And this could be done up to 5 times. And with that $1 Ibotta rebate, it's going to make these flavor crystals $2.25 each. Pretty good considering $6.49 is the price, and that's how much it is at Walmart. Next is on the Coffee Mate Creamer. The Coffee Mate Creamer is usually $5 for this one, but it's buy one, get one free. So it's $2.50 for this. There is a 50 cents Ibotta rebate on Ibotta. And this can be done up to 5 times if you wanted to stock up on coffee creamer. So that 50 cents will be rebated to you, and it's going to make the coffee creamer just $2. Also, there's some different types of Coffee Mate coffee creamer on the Ibotta rebate. There's like a Fruit Loops flavor and just some different types of flavors. So if you want to check those out, there's a 50 cent on the Ibotta rebate for those flavors as well. Now, the Splenda Stevia, this is a great item to donate because I don't use this, but I like to donate when we have these type of things. Because they are expensive. So the Splenda sweetener, the stevia kind, is $7.19 for these. They're buy one, get one free. So each box will be $3.60. Then there's a high valued Ibotta rebate for $2.50 back. And this is a limit of three on that. So you can do it 3 times. So after the buy one, get one free and the Ibotta rebate, this box is going to cost just $1.10. So this is a great item to donate to the food bank or whomever may need it in your life. Guys, we had some great deals today at Publix. This is one of those weeks where it's like go ahead and get your shopping done for Easter Sunday because the deals were just too good to pass up. Now, let me know in the comments if you made it to the end of this video. I always appreciate it when my viewers make it towards the end. You have no idea how much I appreciate it when you guys support me and the things that I do to bring you all these great deals to save money, combat inflation, not inflammation, inflation, and just make things a little bit easier for our household. Have a blessed one.